Good day. So, in the last episode, we sorted out the settings of the different sections of the company, so the school houses, grades, school venues, school terms, and periods. In this one, we're going to start with our staff so that we can actually get them in, so that we can actually start adding our learners. So, let's say add staff member. Here under title, will see that there's various options. You've got auntie, Ms., Miss, Mr., Mrs., Ms., teacher, and uncle. So from formal to informal, depending on how your school works, we've just got both options there so that you can easily see. Then we'll go with first name of the person. Let's go with Hermione Granger. Make her a teacher. We'll go with, let's say she's a grade 1 teacher. The teacher shorthand is like a shortening of how you do it. So if, for instance, you'll do grade 1G, for instance, you'll just put a G there. You don't need to put grade 1G. You'll just put G, and then it'll fill in the rest later on. You'll see. Contact number, we'll just do a quick one for this one. Then contact email, you can go with hermione@test.com. Emergency contact, this is if you have a next of kin for the person. So let's go with Ron Weasley. And emergency number, you can just do that for now. This admin role, so you've got 3 options: super user, contributor, and viewing only. So the super user is somebody who can edit absolutely everything, such as the main administrator. A contributor has limited editing, so they'll be like they can view all the different activities for the day, but they can't edit any of them. They can scan books out, they can scan books back, but they can't really do too much else. And the viewing only is they can only see what's happening. So we'll leave them on a super user for now. And this password is a password that you can put in, or alternatively, you can just make it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you can then just save the user, and then don't tell them what the password is, because when they then go and when they go into the login for the first time, they can just say forgot password, and they'll be sent a new link and they can put in their own password. Okay, let's add another password quickly. Let's make it Mr. Severus Snape. He'll also be a teacher. He'll be grade 2S. Contact number, we'll also just go with that. Severus@test.com. We'll leave him blank because he didn't have anyone, and he can be a contributor. And in this, you can again just go 1 to 9 and say add staff member. All passwords are encrypted, so it is quick and easy to see with that. Okay, so here you'll see you've got your 2 teachers. Quite nice and easily. You can easily see their emergency contact if they have any. So this is a nice, quick and easy way to see all the different, like a quick overview of all your staff members. If you need to get their phone number, you can quickly get it here, their email addresses, and if you need an emergency contact, you've got that here as well. So that covers this quick tutorial of how to add your staff members.